Hello friends! Today let's learn about some daily used utensils. Utensils are small tools used for cooking and eating food. Let's see if you can identify these utensils. Do you know what is this? This is a cooking pot. Cooking pot is a round container mostly with a lid used for cooking food. They are often larger and taller than a cooking pan. It is ideal for boiling liquids like soups or stews or for making yummy curries or dishes. Do you know what is this? This is an eating plate. An eating plate is a special dish used during meal times to hold food. It can come in various shapes and sizes, and sometimes it has sections to separate different types of food. Do you know what is this? This is a spoon. A spoon is a utensil consisting of a small, shallow bowl on one end with a handle on the other end, used for preparing, serving, or eating food. Do you know what is this? This is a fork. A fork is a utensil with two or more prongs, used for eating or serving food. The prongs on a fork help you pick up your food. Forks are useful only for eating solid foods. Do you know what is this? This is an eating knife. An eating knife is a type of knife used for eating purposes. It is designed to be safe for use during meals, helping people to cut their food without the risk of injury. Do you know what is this? This is a drinking glass. A drinking glass is a container made of glass or other materials that is used to hold and drink liquids like water or juice. It is designed to be easy to hold and comes in different shapes, sizes, and colors. Do you know what is this? This is a cooking pan. Pan is an open container that can be used to cook or bake food. It is usually made of metal. A pan is often used for frying or cooking foods on a stove, or for baking or roasting things in an oven. Do you know what is this? This is a cup. Cup is a small open container, usually with a flat bottom and a handle, used for drinking liquids like tea, coffee, or juice. Do you know what is this? This is a jug. A jug is a large deep container, often a rounded vessel of earthenware, glass, or metal with a mouth, a handle, and usually a stopper or a cap. A jug is usually used to store and transfer liquids like juice. Do you know what is this? This is a spatula. A spatula is a kitchen utensil consisting of a flat surface attached to a long handle, used for turning, lifting, or stirring food. It comes in different shapes, sizes, and colors. Do you know what is this? These are chopsticks. Chopsticks are utensils used for eating and cooking, typically consisting of two small, equal-length sticks that are held together in one hand to pick up food. They are commonly used in many Asian countries and are made from materials like wood, metal, or bamboo. Do you know what is this? This is a bowl. A bowl is a rounded container that is typically used for holding food or liquids. It usually has a wide opening and a rounded bottom, making it easy to eat from or mix ingredients in. For kids, a bowl is a simple and useful item in the kitchen, often used for cereal, soup, or snacks. Do you know what is this? This is a teapot. A teapot is a container with a spout, handle, and lid, used to brew and serve tea. It is typically made of ceramic, porcelain, or metal and is designed to keep tea warm while it steeps. In summary, kitchen utensils are essential tools that help make cooking and eating easier. Hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please do like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos.